We're going to show you in this video 3 ways to make your underground buried downspout system better. You want to extend it and get it further away from the house. And we're going to show you the 3 things that you should focus on so that you have success and you don't have problems with that extended longer line.
Beautiful job tying a downspout in to a line, main line. This is the beginning of a main line. Instead of using a 90 fitting, we're using a not quite a 90 so that the water is ramped and it doesn't just slam. This is a special fitting that we make for our pop-ups, and we use it in place of a 90 every chance we get. You can see that it's not quite a 90 degree, so the water flows. You don't lose your velocity. The water is able to make the corner. Anytime you make a part slipperier, you keep your flow rate up. So we have the water shooting straight, and then we take it to not quite a 90. We want to keep our flow rate, but we know we're on a really hard angle here, and then we come flat. Down here, we're really flat up here. So we want to put an inline sediment trap right away, because once the water transitions from this really steeper slope to this lesser slope, so you have a very aggressive run where the water's just coming at you. And then we got not quite a 90 to keep the flow, but then it gets flat in here. Because it gets flat in here, the water's going to decelerate and it's going to drop all its sediment right here. When you change 2 elevations on a line, you got to put a sump in to catch the debris, because that's where it's going to clog. Beautiful job. Valente did a really nice job here. This is textbook. When you have beautiful brick pavers that are freshly installed like you see here, use the existing pipe that goes under them. It's going to be fine. Super easy to make sure that there's not a clog or any blockage. We went ahead and we replaced the downspout adapter to corrugated pipe with our leaf filter. Just had to cut the downspout a little bit and it fit beautifully, as you can see.
If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.